Welcome to the new chapter of relational databases, that is MySQL. In this chapter, first we will see the introduction. In the introduction, we will see what is MySQL, why do we need MySQL, how it will help us in this course. We will see how to use it, right? Then we'll move ahead with the installation process. We will see general installation process for the MySQL, which is irrespective of any of the operating system. You might be using Linux, Windows, or Macintosh, whatever. We will see general installation process and the steps involved in the installation process. Then we will see interaction with the MySQL DB. How do you interact with MySQL DB? You can interact in the two ways, that is command line interface and you can say graphical user interface. Well, in the command line interface, that is a CLI, we will see official MySQL prompt and we will see one VSCode extension, how you will work with that VSCode extension. So these two are CLI based. Well, we are not going to use any user interface. That's pretty easy. That's why I'm not covering over here. But I will tell you what are GUI clients available in the market, right? But we will emphasize mostly on this MySQL prompt, which is official one. And whenever you deal with the servers, you need to use this only. That's why I will emphasize on the fundamental part or the fundamental CLI of MySQL, that is prompt. We will see this thing. At the end, we will conclude. We'll revise little what we have learned and we will conclude the topic. That's how we will progress in the chapter MySQL. Thank you. See you in the next video.